Every day, millions of people receive a dream, a hope, a desire, brought to them from places all over the world. And this is precisely Tercat's mission. We handle really important cargo. We open the world gate to allow the flow of goods and items to bring countries closer together, which thrills and satisfies millions of people around the globe. Hutchison Port Holdings is the world's leading port investor, developer and operator, with interest throughout Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, the Americas and Australasia. With a wealth of management expertise and advanced technologies, HPH is dedicated to fostering fruitful partnership to facilitate global commerce and promotes the growth of local, national and regional economies. HPH bets on the Port of Barcelona, the best port of the Mediterranean. The maritime gateway to the Iberian Peninsula and Southern Europe. A strategic location on the sea lines from Asia that offers clear competitive advantages, both in terms of cost and reduction of transit time. A port located in a dynamic, historic and cosmopolitan city, Barcelona. Tercat possess facilities prepared to handle the largest container ships. Moreover, Tercat provides cutting-edge technology continuously updated. But infrastructures are nothing without an exceptional human team. And in this aspect, Tercat provides a basic added value: service orientation. A staff of highly qualified professionals capable of coping with any challenge with maximum efficiency. Tercat's daily work is customer service oriented, honoring the commitments that make us unique. The conviction that economic development should be compatible with environmental conservation. The continuous investments in innovation and training to ensure maximum terminal efficiency. Using the most advanced information and communication systems, Tercat has rich experience in the implementation of Portic, a system designed to improve the competitiveness of the companies based in the port of Barcelona. Tercat also has HPH's most advanced technology at its disposal, and as a result, Tercat has the highest productivity ratio in Barcelona and is a leader in Southern Europe. The improvement of the loading and unloading processes in order to reduce inefficiencies and enhance the quality of our service. We are proud of Tercat's present, and its future thrills us. Tercat's new terminal at Muelle Prat is the most ambitious project within the current extension of the Port of Barcelona. It is situated close to the harbour mouth in order to facilitate the handling of container ships with drafts of up to 16.5 metres. In addition to this, the new terminal is located next to Thal, Barcelona. The first development phase will cover an extension of 100 hectares and will have a 1,500 metre long quayside. This shall allow us to work with the largest container ships. The second phase will include 32 hectares and a 600 metre long quay. The depth alongside will reach 18.5 metres, which will allow us to increase our capacity considerably. The Muelle Prat terminal will be a pioneer for HPH, since it will be the first for the group and one of the first in the world to operate semi-automatically thanks to a system developed jointly by Tercat and HPH, Engen. This terminal management system will complement the functional design of the terminal, and it will make sure that the automation induces high productivity rates. The Muelle Prats Terminal's key cranes will also be of the latest generation with 22 container rows outreach in order to serve the largest container ships. Likewise, latest generation automatic stacking cranes will be able to operate 24 hours a day. The NGen system will not rest either, being in charge of the stacking and listing of each container according to its characteristics. The shuttle carriers of Muelle Prat will also be cutting edge, the fastest and most stable units on the market, programmed to always position the container in the best spot for pickup by the crane. In the Muelle Prat terminal, the shuttle carriers will maximize their work capacity because every time they pick up and export containers, they will return to the transfer area with an import container. The efficiency of this automatic system will be complemented by constant supervision by the staff of TEDCAT. Our stevedores check containers constantly, and our technicians are always looking for ways to enhance the functioning of our systems. If the internal operations of Muelle Prat hold up to the highest standards in terms of technology and efficiency, the connections with the hinterland will be at the same level. Its railway terminal will be the largest of any Spanish port, with 8 tracks of 750 meters of length with mixed gauge and complying with the European standard in order to assure continuous work and maximum productivity. A terminal designed with a profound respect towards the natural environment, betting on the railway mode of transport, on the completely electric cranes and other equipment that respects the strictest criteria of energy efficiency to keep CO2 emissions to a minimum. The terminal is designed to help the optimum labor of the carriers as much as possible, with automated systems to detect registration and container numbers, and a buffer area to optimize the loading and unloading process. In the transfer area, the drivers, after having opened the twist locks of the containers, will wait in cabins for the operation to be completed. The crane system will initiate the process only if it detects the driver's weight inside the cabin. This will guarantee maximum safety. The exit of the trucks will also be handled with the highest security standards. Automatic and manual controls, OCR scanners and radioactivity detectors. The automated and monitored facilities with state-of-the-art technology and completely customer-oriented will further strengthen TEDCAT's role as a leader in the Southern European market. Through investments in infrastructure, equipment, technology and human resources, TEDCAT will continue to be a trusted handler of the goods and the dreams of people all over the world.